If you've been looking to purchase put insurance on the stock that's maybe going down or losing value, you're not alone. The puts do a great job in protecting your stock position in order to cap your max loss. This way you don't go ahead and lose any more money further as the stock continues to go down. Now, with that, puts are pricey. They're expensive. They're buying insurance on your stock. And if you found that, hey, this thing is just expensive in order to buy put insurance, you're not alone. Now, I'm Sasha, the options coach. I've been teaching people to trade options over the last decade, and I've done things with classes and courses and even wrote some books regarding on the subject. And I want to show you a better way to buying put insurance of how you can actually save some money when you buy puts. Take a look at this concept, okay? When you go in and you've got Intel over here and we are down $576 on this position. Normally we go in and buy a position over here on, let's say, 35 days out, we're looking to buy some put insurance. And since we've got 300 contracts, or 300 shares, I might go in and purchase, let's say, 3 of these at the $23 strike. It's about a 30 delta. You could even go to this one that's 83 cents. So that's $83 a piece at about a 30 delta. So I might purchase 3 of these. Now, when I buy 3 of these, the problem that it's going to give me is 8 times 3 is about 240 bucks. So if I double click it, you can see I'm paying $249 for that insurance. Now that insurance starts to add up because I also have this negative theta behind it. Also a bit of a problem. The good news is that if this stock actually does continue to crash and it goes down to, let's just say about $18 a share, I still only lose about $1,300. But without it, okay, if it goes down to 18, I'd lose about $2,400. So you can see the put insurance does protect you. The problem is that if it goes nowhere, I have to keep dishing out $2,400, or sorry, $240, $240 time and time again. So instead, what I can do is when I have this, I can also go in and sell something against it. So if I'm buying something for $83, I could sell something over here for $68, and that offsets my cost. And I could go in and sell 3 of them, okay? And this is this concept that we did actually recently in one of my latest classes, this zero cost put buying strategy, where we talk a little bit more about purchasing the puts, but doing it in a cost-effective way by selling the calls against it. Now, this is kind of known as a collar strategy. And when you have this collar strategy, it offsets the cost between the put and the call. And now my final cost value is actually only $42 instead of $240, time and time again. So it allows me to purchase that put at a more cost-effective way. Now, the downside, the trade-off, what's the catch? The catch is that now I am limiting my upside a little bit. But, you know, for that, I'm getting a huge benefit of protection on the downside. If I sell that call also, I don't have that negative theta problem. So there's a huge amount of benefits behind doing something like this, because when you do something to this effect, it really gives you a lot of benefits behind, hey, you don't have theta. You actually also reduce the Vega problem that you have. You go in and have put insurance, and the put insurance doesn't cost you that much money. So there's a lot of benefits. The trade-off is that now as the stock heads higher to the upside, you are, if it explodes to the moon quite quickly, you are capping your upside. But for that, I'm willing to give that up a little bit in order to save some money on the puts, especially if I think, hey, if I already think the stock's going down, why wouldn't I get the insurance? So anyways, if we go in and put this position on, that is how it would look and the construct behind it, because it limits my downside. Anyways, hope you found that helpful, gives you a little insight. This is exactly what we covered in this latest class. If you're interested, send me a note regarding some of the classes. I'll give you some more insight about them. You can visit our website as well. But a little bonus here behind that is that you can actually, if you didn't know, depending on the account, you can actually just buy 2 puts, and this will limit the downside on 200 shares instead of the full 300. Or what I could do is actually sell a third, or in this case, a fourth, an extra call against it to offset that position, giving me kind of a visual like this. And I can also do it, let's go with 2 contracts here and 2 contracts at 27, giving me a little bit of a different construct to selling some additional calls against that position. Now, yes, that does create unlimited risk on the upside, but what we're doing is really cutting delta to offset the risk. Again, a little bit more of an advanced concept here that I've done and talked about in the class as well, but it just gives you a little bit of a taste of typically some of the things we do. But I just want to show you this concept as far as how to save money on buying puts when you protect the stock, because a lot of people, they dish out money. You're paying $250, $250, $250, and it just never happens. And that's just the sheer nature of insurance businesses themselves, because with insurance businesses, just like if you have a car insurance and you pay for car insurance every single time, when you're paying for car insurance, it may be that you don't need that insurance for 3 or 5 years because you never got into an accident. And the same thing with put insurance on stocks is when you're buying it, you may not need that insurance for many months to come. But if you do want to have that insurance, there's a way to offset that cost, which is what I just showed you. Anyways, if you're interested in some more of the classes that we've got, send a note, send a message, reach out to me on Facebook, or if you're on YouTube, send a note on the website, because on YouTube, I can't really interact with you besides just a quick little comment. So thanks for joining me. Appreciate it. I will see you next time.